The new KYMCO AK550 Premium 2023 is characterized by a more dedicated to tourism setting thanks to a revised shielding profile, a larger electrified windscreen and a richer standard equipment wing for safety. Here are our driving impressions, along with the advantages and disadvantages of the scooter. The AK550 Premium 2023 has a more touring connotation, marked by a new protective profile and a higher power windscreen. The AK550 technical base has been confirmed, a horizontal 550cc 8-valve engine capable of developing a maximum power of 51 HP at 7,500 revolutions per minute. And 51.9 peak torque at 5,750 revolutions per minute, which pushes the scooter beyond its maximum speed of 160 km per hour, while the final drive adopts a new belt designed to reduce noise and maintenance. The accelerator is equipped with an ETS control system, electronic throttle system, ride-by-wire, which is used to manage the new traction control TCS, which debuted on the AK550 Premium along with cruise control. Also standard is the AIBS Advanced Intelligent Braking System, which integrates cornering functions with ABS functions. The chassis was also confirmed. The aluminum frame, where the engine is mounted midway, is connected to a 41mm double-plate hydraulic telescopic fork and to a single-sided aluminum rocker arm at the rear. The instrumentation has been updated. It still consists of 3 digital dials. The bridge has also been updated and the handlebar switchpad has been redesigned. It starts with the second generation of smart locks. The starter rotor disappears and is replaced by a central click-and-go ignition button which automatically unlocks the electric steering.